Anything that's blocking the surface of my skin or my pores, I like to go in with an oil cleanser that can really get right in there and break down all the little debris. Okay, let's say you've washed your face. Welcome back to Valento skincare. If you want bright skin, healthy skin, glowing skin, you're in the right channel, you're in the right family. Hit that subscribe button and let's get right. Let's say you've washed your face, but let's say I came along and I asked you to wipe your face after washing it to show me. Would you be confident enough to show me what's on the other side of your face actually clean? Especially if you've worn makeup during the day. If you've used sunscreen today, I hope you're wearing sunscreen, every day, all day. You've probably heard the term double cleansing, but are you doing it right? What if I told you that a great skincare routine starts by washing your face with a really good cleanser? That is step one. Would you believe me? What is double cleansing? Does that mean washing your face twice? Does that mean using 2 different products? I'm going to show you exactly how to perform double cleansing, okay? What is double cleansing? Simply put, it's a Japanese and Korean technique that really recently became popular in Europe and North America just recently. Basically, it involves using 2 different types of cleansers to cleanse your face. But the most popular technique is using an oil-based cleanser first and then a normal cream, gel, or liquid cleanser afterwards. And, you're probably wondering, I have oily skin, why do I need to use an oil-based cleanser? Because oils can actually adapt to dissolving all types of makeup and sunscreen at the end of the day. So that's why it's important to incorporate oil cleansers into your skincare routine when you're taking off, especially after a long day of wearing makeup or a day of wearing sunscreen, because it goes deep into your pores and really does a nice cleaning of taking up any residue and taking away any makeup you've had on during the day or any sunscreen. Now, another option is to wash your face twice with the same cleanser that you normally would use, but personally, I don't find that removes my makeup or breaks down all the heavy makeup I've worn during the day or any sunscreen that I've applied in the morning or reapplied during the day. Now, I don't wear makeup every day because of my job, but I wear sunscreen. So when I really want to take off my makeup at night or wash my face at night, I have to go in with an oil cleanser to break down any dirt, anything that's blocking the surface of my skin or my pores. I like to go in with an oil cleanser that can really get right in there and break down all the little debris, and then I can go with my other cleanser. Then I feel really fresh and refreshed at the end of the day. So then I'm ready for every other step in my skincare routine. So I feel lovely when I wake up. These are the 2 products that I use for double cleansing. This is the Facetheory Clarifying Cleanser for combination oily skin. And there's also the Facetheory Jojoba Cleansing Oil. I love jojoba oil in my products. So that's the 2 that I'm currently using right now. I'm loving. So they're brilliant. I'll show you what this looks like. I can block products or lights. I'm going to show you like this. I hope you can see that. Sorry guys. Right there, like so. So these are the 2 products I'm going to use, and these products that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you exactly my steps and how I apply this product to take off my makeup and sunscreen by the end of the day, and how I go in with a second cleanser then. Welcome to my bathroom. Yes, queens. Yes. Let's get into this. First of all, I just want to remind you guys, you have to choose the right double cleansing duo to make sure you get the most out of your routine. First of all, wash your hands, guys. Wash your hands, please. Don't go straight into washing your face with dirty hands. Make sure the hands are clean first. Apply your fragrance-free cleansing oil. Apply to wet skin. Massage in circular motions, including around the eye area, but be very gentle when you get to the eye area. Massage for about 40 to 60 seconds. Massage gently, be gentle with your skin, love the process, relax. You want to go to bed feeling all soft and good and relaxed and refreshed. Now rinse the cleanser with lukewarm water or gently remove with a soft or wet washcloth.
Onto the second baby right here.
This is just your normal cleanser. This is the one for my skin, combination skin. So apply a little bit of the cleanser into your skin. Gently massage a small amount of your regular facial cleanser onto your damp skin. Massage again. Love yourself. Ooh, ooh. Guys, I'm ready for Hollywood man. Beyonce Rihanna got nothing on me. Gently massage. Finally, remove the cleanser off your face with lukewarm water. And now that you know how to double cleanse, I just want to let you know that what I do then is I usually would double cleanse in the evenings or after a night out. So I wouldn't wear makeup during the week at all. I wear sunscreen, so I also double cleanse when I come home after a day of work. Now, if you see some cleansers that are not for your skin type, guys, it's like you're not. If you're new, that's okay. But if you're not new to Valento skincare, not new to our family, you're using products not for your skin type, I am upset. That's rude. Like, guys, go watch my video on how to find your skin type, so you know, because then you benefit more from the products you're using. It saves you time, it saves you money, because you're using things that are, you know, made for your skin, and it's going to give you the right benefits, and you're going to see the right effects from the products and ingredients that you're using. Okay guys, that's it. It's all about you guys glowing and having bright skin. Now if you're this far, you haven't subscribed, I'm hurt. That's rude. Go hit that subscribe button, sis. Oh bruh, I see you. I know you're gonna go on my Instagram. I know, just join the family. Just come on, let's just all. Now if you don't know what perfect cleanser is great for your skin type, I have a lovely visual on my Instagram. Go give that a look and see how you get on finding your perfect cleanser. And if you guys like this video, and hit that like and the subscribe button. Thank you so much, lovely.